Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a testing TikTok life hacks video. Now, everybody knows what TikTok is. If you don't, you're living under a rock and I don't even know why you clicked on this video. But I've seen this video trending a lot recently where people test out the hacks that they see to see if they work, if they don't. I'm not going to be testing a specific category of hacks like makeup hacks or hair hacks. There's kind of just like a bunch just jumbled into one video. And I'm really excited for this first hack, so let's just get right into the video. So I put the video right here. It's basically a girl straightening her money to make it straight and crisp. Now as you can see in the video, it clearly works, so I have really high hopes for this one. And I love having like my wallet look so organized and like cleaned out. If I could have all my bills looking really nice and like straight, that'd be great. Just gonna crinkle it up. And now we have some wrinkly old dollar bill. I wasn't gonna test this on a $100 bill or anything crazy, so I don't know the heat. Like, is this too high? It's like paper, it's gonna like burn. Alright, we got the one side nice and crisp, as you can see the difference. Oh my god. Like, I was expecting this one to work, but look how clean it looks. Like, it looks fake. It's not fake. So this next life hack is how to charge your AirPods if you do not have a charging cable. So I thought this was really interesting, and I don't really think it's gonna work because, like, why would it? And you apparently just stick it on a MacBook, like to the top right corner, and it just charges. There's no proof in the video that the AirPod's charging, but we're gonna try it out anyways. And I'm gonna be borrowing my sister's laptop for this because my year of a laptop, AirPods didn't come out yet, so I don't know why they would have installed the charging mechanism for it if it didn't exist, you know? So she has the 2019 MacBook Air, and it basically just says to stick it right up here, and it's supposed to charge. Oh, and it is only right there. Like, it doesn't stick up here. It is only in that corner. Maybe this, well, alright. The actual case itself is not charging. So, like, there's a magnet back here, but when you open it, you can't touch the magnet anymore. It needs to be open in order to charge, so that does not work. For this next life hack, how to get TikTok on your Apple Watch. Now, for Apple Watches, you can only download certain apps, like you can't have any social medias or anything like that. But this guy searched up a random, like, app in the App Store on his Apple Watch, and when he downloaded it, it was not called TikTok, but when he opened it, like, he was automatically scrolling on TikTok. So we're gonna see if this works. Alright, so I'm in the App Store and it's called Do Watch. Alright, so we got it right there. Alright, so this app does cost 99 cents, which I'm not gonna be paying, but the preview pictures that it shows us, it is like videos. I don't know if it's necessarily TikTok. Like, in the video, it showed like the actual TikTok logo and everything, which I don't think it's that. I think it's just like a condensed version of like scrolling through funny videos. I don't really know what to rate this one. So this next hack is how to fix baggy sweatpants. So she basically rolls it up, puts a hair tie in, and it makes it like a jogger style. And I have a pair of sweatpants that I absolutely love. They're Nike, they're so cute, and I hate how they're baggy at the end. I definitely prefer joggers over like open like sweatpants. Alright, so as you can see, here we have the pant leg, very baggy, not jogger styled at all, literally ignore my feet. And she basically rolls it up just like this. She puts a hair tie through it, puts the hair tie, and then she like rolls it over. Oh my god, that's so cute. I don't know why I thought this one wouldn't work. Like, I feel like it would fit weird or like cut off my circulation, but this is actually a really good hack. I will say that they aren't the most comfortable thing. Like, obviously it's a little bit tight because it's a hair tie. It's not meant to go around your ankle. But if you really hated baggy sweatpants, this life hack does work. So this next life hack would be legit awesome if it worked, but I don't really think it's going to because I don't get what it does for your lips. Like, it's taking an eyelash curler and it's supposed to like plump your lips and make them bigger, which, what's the science behind that? Like, I have no idea. But if it works, I will be totally blown away. Alright, so here's my lips before. I don't really have small lips. I don't really have big lips. They're kind of just like normal. She literally just puts her lips in there and just like clamps it. I don't know how long she does this for. If it's just like a couple seconds or what. Just lightly, very lightly, guys. If you do this at home, don't close it all the way, just very lightly. I mean, kind of. This is how I'm spending my Friday. How are you guys doing? Feels like really weird. It doesn't hurt, obviously, if you do it lightly. Oh, that worked. That really did work. I see a difference. Am I crazy? I'm not pouting it. Like, I'm not like this is literally, I literally might use this hack. Like, why did that work? Like, obviously it's not insane crazy results. Like, oh my god, like before my lips were so small and now they're like huge. But like, it did something. For this next life hack, she shows 3 different ways on how to tie up your shirts. I personally love tying up my shirts, but I just like do like a knot. And these ways look so much cuter, and I want to try them to see how good they look. This is a really baggy shirt on me, as you guys can see. So she grabs both sides, she twists them with her index finger, and then tucks them like on your bra. It doesn't look as cute as in the video, but I mean, it worked. If you're like trying to like crop a t-shirt, like it doesn't look cute, but I could have just done something wrong. Like, it's working in the video. I don't know, let's try the other methods. Okay, so grab both sides in the front, create a knot, hide the ends by tucking into the shirt folds. Oh, this is cute. I love this. This literally looks like it's like actually like this. Like this, like it's made like that. And it's like secure too, and you can't see like any loose ends. So the next one you're supposed to gather from the back, so like that, twist it with your index finger, wrap it around, and she just like opens this end right here and then like wraps it around the knot or something. I mean, I feel like that would like fall out of place really easily. Well, the second one worked the best for that one. I would say that one's like a 10 out of 10, gonna be doing that all the time. This next one is how to get a louder speaker on your phone. You're supposed to go into your settings, click music, and then go on EQ. And click late night, and apparently it's supposed to be louder, so let's test it. Alright, so I'm just gonna play some copyright free music. Alright, so this is full volume. That was pretty loud. Alright, now we're gonna go into settings, go down to music, EQ. Oh, mine's off. His was on default pop, mine's off. Click late night and see if it's louder. I wouldn't say so. I don't really think that worked. Like, it's loud either way. I don't know why. I thought that one was gonna work for some reason. Like who just discovers that, you know? This next one is how to make a DIY mask with a sock. Now, this could be really, really useful for everything that's going on right now, and some people may not be able to afford masks, but lucky for you, this hack, if it works, could be really, really innovative. Now, I know it's obviously not gonna, you know, work as good as a hospital mask, but for somebody that like needs it in a quick pinch or something, I'm guessing could do the job. I'm not really sure. I'm just following the hack. So I'm just gonna cut on the sides like this. So now we're left with just like a square. And then he makes 2 slits like right here. So you're gonna use these 2 slits for the ear holes, and in this section in here, you're gonna put tissue paper. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't have any tissue paper in it right now, so it wouldn't really do anything if you were to like wear this out. Finding masks to purchase that are available is really, really hard. Like, they're sold out. So yeah, and it like looks cute. I know that's not the point. Like, it's not about being stylish, it's about staying safe and being healthy. This last one is how to fold up your chips without a clip so that the chips won't fall out or so they won't get stale and stay open. So I want to try this one out because I have a bag of chips that I keep in my room just because I don't know, and I don't have a clip to them, and I always just like roll them up and they end up unrolling and it's gets stale. So I'm gonna try this hack. Y'all thought I was lying about the bag of chips by my bed. Fold it back like this. Like that. And then do the same to the other side. So like this. And then she starts folding up from the bottom right here. This flap folds it over the roll we just did and rolls it back down. Just like that. Oh, that does work, but it's kind of coming undone. But I mean, it would definitely stop the chips from coming out. I would say that one is a success as well. I think that definitely worked. Also, I'm gonna straighten all my money after this video, so that's what I'll be doing. But if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.